Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I'm participating of another open challenge. I'll talk to you about that a little later, but now let's begin with our project number 1. I purchased this pumpkin at Dollar Tree and I am going to begin by giving it one coat with this chalk paint, and the color is Serenity Blue. So this is molding clay. I purchased this at Amazon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and shape it as a peduncle, and then I'm just gonna put it to the side and wait a day or two until it hardens. This line right here is bothering me, this division. So I'm gonna come in with some of this spackle and I will just start filling it in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and freshen it up once again, just to make sure that it looks nice and even. And once that is completed and dry, I'm gonna come in with some white chalk paint and I'm just going to be distressing it. So everything is nice and dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and eliminate this little stamp out of here very carefully. I don't want it to sink. I want to make sure that the foam is even because we are going to put that new peduncle in there. So I'm not trying to create a hole. I also have these little stickers from Dollar Tree. I am going to start decorating my pumpkin. Guys, look at how gorgeous this is turning out. Nice and glammy. I am loving it. And now the peduncle is already nice and hard, so I'm gonna come in with this acrylic paint in silver and I will be giving it 2 coats. So now the peduncle is completely dry, so it's time to glue it right on top of this pumpkin. This pumpkin is absolutely gorgeous. I also have some white leaves from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be cutting 2 of them and placing them right on top. I want to express my gratitude for your visit. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. I hope you enjoy what's coming up, and if you do, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Today is another 5 under 5 DIY challenge, and we have two hosts, Missy Crafty Cove DIY along with Emily from Farm Charm Chic, and today's guest host is Favi Arrows DIY. I'm going to be leaving the links directly to their channels along with the playlist down in my description box. This challenge takes place every 5th of each month, and we have to create 5 DIYs under $5, and it airs at 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And this month theme is all about fall, so let's get crafting. And now let's continue to move along with project number 2. And for this project, I'm going to continue to use these gem stickers. I have 2 of these vases. These vases, I have them for like, I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 years now. I bought them at Dollar Tree and they were $1 back then. And I will do the same thing to both of these jars. Light bulbs from Dollar Tree. I also purchased this about 2 years ago and they were also $1. So now I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on one corner so this will move from its place, and then the other one I'm just going to go ahead and show you that you could do both of them with these beautiful light bulbs, or you can just add some fall leaves just like I'm going to be doing. Now this project was nice and simple. It really didn't take much of my time. If you are inspired, please leave me in the comment section your thoughts. I hope you enjoy this. Moving along with project number 3. I purchased these little cutting boards at Temu. I purchased a dozen for under $4, and I started to write fall, but I didn't like the way it turned out, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it one coat with this Serenity Blue. And this is a piece of wallpaper that I have left over from a prior project, and I will be placing it on the lower portion of this beautiful cutting board. After cutting all the excess wallpaper off of this cutting board, then I'll be able to come in and start decorating it. And I'll begin with these beautiful pumpkins. And just to make this project look finished, I'm gonna take this baker's twine and with some hot glue, I'll be gluing it right here on this division. Let's continue with the baker's twine, and I will also wrap the handle. And these rub-on pumpkins, I'm gonna go ahead and start placing them wherever I think they look nice. I'll thread this baker's twine through this small hole on the cutting board, creating a convenient way to hang it on the wall. And now this is it for this beautiful little cutting board. And once again, don't forget to go ahead and visit the playlist down in my description box for more inspiration. And now for the final review. I hope you enjoy it. Moving along to project number 4. I have created 2 of these for cutting board. This one, I'm going to go ahead and give it one entire coat with white chalk paint. And now with the same exact wallpaper, I'm placing it right here on the handle. And with my finger knife, I will cut the excess wallpaper off. And with the same finger knife, I'm just gonna go ahead and poke that hole through to make sure that we have something to hang it on the wall. I'm gonna continue to use the same baker's twine. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it right here, make it look nice and pretty. And again, this is a reminder, all of these projects must be less than $5. This one cost me pennies because I bought 12 cutting boards for less than $4. And now to use more of these beautiful pumpkins. And now we are almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this baker's twine right here. And this is it for this beautiful DIY. I hope you have enjoyed these projects. And if you did, remember, don't forget that big thumbs up. It does help my channel. Project number 5 and final project. I have this little canvas picture from, I don't know, I think maybe 3-4 years now from Dollar Tree, and I purchased it for $1. I'm gonna go ahead and give it one entire coat of this Serenity blue chalk paint. I'll be putting it to the side, and then I also have this little white pumpkin also from Dollar Tree. I believe they are a package of either 5 or 6 for $1.25. I had these leftovers from last year, so I took it out of my stash and I'm going to be using one of them. So now I'm giving it again an entire coat of white chalk paint. And this word autumn, I am going to be giving it one coat with black chalk paint. I put the letters on top of the Scotch tape so I can have some stability while I am painting all these letters. So now it's time to glue all of these with some hot glue, and I'm using some tweezers because I don't want to, burn myself. So I'll do this to every single letter. And I have this raffia little bowl from a different project, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right here with some hot glue. This is turning out so pretty. And again, I'm coming back with this canvas, and with plenty of hot glue, I'm gonna be placing this beautiful pumpkin right on top. I also have some more of these little ribbon pumpkins that I am totally in love with. So I'm gonna go ahead and start placing them wherever I think they look beautiful. I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering support throughout the video. If you found the content intriguing, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking, especially if this is your first time visiting. To my return subscribers, your continuing support means the world to me. Thank you, Missy and Emily, for putting this playlist together every month, and Fabi for being the co-host. And now for the final reveal.
Stay, even for a moment, that's okay. Even if the sky is turning gray.